we will see the most important formulae of inverse trigonometric functions. By using shortcut method, inverse functions of sin inverse x minus 1 comma 1 minus pi by 2 comma pi by 2, y equal to cos inverse x minus 1 comma 1 0 comma pi, y equal to cosecant inverse x r of minus 1 comma 1 minus pi by 2 comma pi by 2, y equal to secant inverse x r of minus 1 comma 1 0 comma pi to pi by 2, y equal to tan inverse x real of minus pi by 2 pi by 2, y equal to cot inverse x 0 comma pi. The inverse trigonometric functions and all given. Now we are going to start the properties of inverse trigonometric functions. Here I have given some more important formulae. Sin inverse of sin theta is nothing but theta. By using the same way, the cos inverse x cos theta equal to theta. Tan inverse of tan theta is nothing but theta. Cot inverse of cot theta is nothing but theta. Secant inverse of secant theta is equal to theta. Cosecant inverse of cosecant theta is nothing but theta. Now property number 2. Sin of sin inverse x is nothing but x. Cos of cos inverse x is nothing but x. Tan of tan inverse x is equal to x. Cot of cot inverse of x is nothing but x. Secant of secant inverse x is nothing but x. Cosecant of cosecant inverse of x is nothing but x. Property number 3. Secant inverse of minus x is minus sin inverse x. Cos inverse of minus x is equal to pi minus cos inverse x. Tan inverse of minus x is nothing but minus tan inverse of x. Cot inverse of minus x is equal to pi minus cot inverse x. Secant inverse of minus x is nothing but pi minus secant inverse x. Cosecant inverse of minus x is equal to minus cosecant inverse x. Property number 4. These are the very important formulae. Sin inverse x plus cos inverse x is equal to pi by 2. Tan inverse x plus cot inverse x equal to pi by 2. Secant inverse x plus cosecant inverse x equal to pi by 2. This is very important formula by using trigonometric inverse functions. Property number 5. Sin inverse x is nothing but cosecant inverse of 1 by x. Cosecant inverse of x equal to sin inverse of 1 by x. Cos inverse of x is equal to secant inverse of 1 by x. Secant inverse of x is nothing but cos inverse of 1 by x. Tan inverse of x is nothing but cos inverse of 1 by x. Tan inverse of x is equal to cot inverse of 1 by x. Cot inverse of x equal to tan inverse of 1 by x. Now the property number 6. This is very important formula to remember. Tan inverse x plus tan inverse y equal to tan inverse of x plus y by 1 minus xy. Tan inverse of x minus tan inverse of y is nothing but tan inverse of x minus y by 1 plus xy. Tan inverse x plus tan inverse y plus tan inverse z is nothing but tan inverse of x plus y plus z minus xyz by 1 minus xy minus yz minus zx. Here property number 7. Sin inverse x plus sin inverse y is nothing but sin inverse of x root of 1 minus y square plus y of root of 1 minus x square. Sin inverse x minus sin inverse y is nothing but sin inverse of x root of 1 minus y square minus y root of 1 minus x square. Now the property number 9. 2 sin inverse x is nothing but sin inverse of 2x root of 1 minus x square. 3 sin inverse of x equal to sin inverse of 3x minus 4x cube. Now the property number 10. 2 cos inverse of x is nothing but cos inverse 2x square minus 1. 3 cos inverse of x is nothing but cos inverse of 4x cube minus 3x. Property number 11. 2 tan inverse of x is nothing but tan inverse of 2x by 1 minus x square. 3 tan inverse x equal to tan inverse of 3x minus x cube by 1 minus 3x square. Property number 12. 2 tan inverse of x equal to sin inverse of 2x by 1 plus x square. 2 tan inverse of x equal to cos inverse 1 minus x square by 1 plus x square. Finally, property number 30. Sin inverse x is nothing but cos inverse of root of 1 minus x square is that equal to tan inverse of x by root of 1 minus x square. Cot inverse of root of 1 minus x square by x is nothing but tan secant inverse of 1 by 1 root of 1 minus x square equal to cosecant inverse of 1 by x. These are the formulae we have to remember all the trigonometric inverse functions.